back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to start the video today with these two that is in a previous video, which I'll link up above, with the plastic versus the silicone, those little cups, because I thought they were causing a reaction. It turns out it wasn't them. I then went on to think it was maybe the Winsor & Newton medium that I use sometimes. I'm not so sure it was that so much as the Royal & Langnickel paint. But however, it was a fun thing to do, and I love the outcome of these two paintings. As you can see, the only real sales that I got with them on both the paintings was when I added the Winsor & Newton medium that I sometimes use, but I tend to use it separate. I don't tend not to mix it in with my other paint. There's just a little pattern there that I got with the cut out plastic strip that I use, and that looks to me like that was a drip of paint. But for me, it all adds to the interest in the painting, and I love the way they're hung when they're not dead level. I just think it adds to the composition. Anyway, let's get on with the video that we're doing today. And so here we are. I'm just going to do a quick background on what I was up to. This was a few weeks ago, just right at the start of my when I was diagnosed with tendonitis, Achilles tendonitis or Achilles tendinopathy, and I couldn't move. It was really painful to move, particularly going up and down stairs. So it was a horrible rainy day, really yucky day. I decided I wanted to paint, but I needed to paint downstairs really. So, but I didn't want to be mucking about with mixers and all the rest of it. So I decided to see what would happen if I tried to do things without using Owetral or Owetral as you know it. Now, there was 5 hours of video time. I really got into the zone. There was many rubbings out and scrapings and wipings off, and one thing I found, it's not so easy to scrape if you've not got Owetral or mixing your acrylics with paint or with water. So there's a lot of rubbing off, there was a lot of trying, but in the end, the thing that I thought, I don't know why I'm trying this, there's no way it's going to work, was the thing that worked. I'll let you watch and see. Thank you for sticking with this and watching it to the end. It was something that was unexpected for me. Obviously, I didn't expect to get the injury, but it also proved to me that when life throws you a curveball, you catch it and run with it, or in my case, hobble with it. You just never know what door is going to push open. The universe works in mysterious ways, and you just need to be open to whatever happens next. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Oh yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. For now.